Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this casting which is part of the Hot Ones, and the car looks very vintage. It's not something you see these days. The Hot Wheels design, the paint, it all looks like those classic cars that came I think before I started collecting. And so does this car. This looks in, like, if you look at the wheel, if you look at the paint, everything's very old school Hot Wheels, not the modern ones. It's a Fiat 500 Topolino. As you can see, it's 1936 model. Heavily customized, obviously. Does look good. So let's open it up and see. So here is the casting out of the box. First thing you will notice, it's not a regular car. It's like a hot rod or dragster maybe. And second thing, these wheels. We don't see these on Hot Wheels anymore. Not, at least not on the main line. So these remind me of the older Hot Wheels cars. I wasn't collecting back then, so I don't have much background about it. But it does look cool. I've seen a few of them, and wheels do look cool here. I'm gonna start from the front. In the front, you got some nice details. You've got a detailed grille. You've got the wheels. You can see the big engine coming out of the hood. And you've got this nice candy green kind of paint with flames. Very classic hot rod kind of paint job. Looks cool. On the driver's side, well, it's kind of center mounted. So, well, on the left side, you've got this side mounted exhaust which comes out. You can see, looks like 4-into-1. Also got the flames going on the side. Sponsor name Bell. You got PG. It's actually based on a Fiat 500 Topolino. I don't know how, but it is based on that. On the side, even on the side, you can see how there's this huge spoiler. Again, for the directing methods for races and stuff. Obviously shaved design. Don't really see any other details on the side. Door handle is right here, so it basically opens in the other direction. Now coming to the rear, again some good details here. You can see detailed tail lamp. I don't know if it's parachute, but it's used for bringing out something else. But I mostly think it's parachute there. Do have some more details in there. And this looks like a roll cage. If you look at the top, the roof there. Right side, passenger side. Again, almost looks identical. Looks the same. If you look on both the sides, the only difference, I think, this door, a small door. I don't know if it's for gas or something else. You don't have that on the other side. If you look at the interior, finished in chrome, single center position seat. It does have some details in the bottom too. So if you look at the base, you can see it has got the drive shaft. It looks like transmission and engine. So good details in the bottom too, which we don't see anymore on newer Hot Wheels. Now, should you get these? Depends. If you're a fan of if these kind of design, go for it. And I actually like this one, and they have done a bunch of more models on the same series, which I couldn't find. And if I do, we'll definitely make more videos. What else? Doesn't have glass in the side windows. Yeah, and it looks really nice. Obviously not a standard vehicle, but it looks very old school hot rod. And I like the design. Well, that's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.